Ik ga iets vertellen over andijvie stamppot. Iedereen vindt het lekker.
With the whole thing in?
Ja, whole thing. Het is een groente die men vaak verbouwt in de tuin. Je eet de stengels van de plant in het. Je kan het maken met verschillende kruiden.
One packet?
No, and two. One packet is for 500 grams.
Oh, and we have.
And we have 1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Wij eten het vaak met gehaktballen, maar je kan het ook met sausijsjes eten of met worst. Maar wij vinden dat minder lekker.
I will get in it.
Oké.
Okay.
Ja.
We get to have
Together. And then we make ball. Oké.
Yep. So good size meatball.
Ja.
Like a tennis ball size. Oh, the butter's browning. Is it okay?
Ja.
It's browning. Getting there. Good?
Oké, is goed.
Okay.
Put it in there and that are
Boiling, huh?
aardappels.
Yeah, aardappels, potatoes.
Potatoes.
Yeah. And a special type of potato?
No.
No, just a potato. And right away you turn it. I'm gonna wash my hands. So you want a bit brown on all sides, but you're cooking it all the way through?
Ja. 2 minutes. Dat,
Those are some meatballs.
ja.
So those are cooked?
No.
So you let them sit in water for a reason?
No.
No. Okay.
No reason.
No reason. Salt. Making sure I'm not missing anything. So you salt the water.
That's andijvie.
Andivie.
Andivie.
Yeah. Already chopped. Beautiful. And 2 bags.
Je kookt de aardappels, je kunt ook de andijvie mee koken. Maar wij vinden rauw het iets lekkerder.
And so how long do you cook the potatoes?
20 minutes. 20, 25.
Until
I
they're
make
soft.
small pieces of it.
Okay.
You can see it.
Yeah.
Oh, spek.
Oh, spek.
Bacon. I was forgotten.
Okay.
Vet spek. It's the name, vet spek.
Fat spek.
Vaak doen we wat vet spek erin. Om er wat meer zout aan toe te voegen.
Oh, the salt fat. Salted pork.
Ja.
Uh-huh. Okay.
I set them on too.
Yep.
Ja.
Yep.
Water in it.
Okay.
Now it is okay.
Oh, let it be.
Let it be.
Let it be. It's 20 minutes
Yes.
away, so you can pause.
The name is andijvie stamppot met gehakt.
Try to say that quickly.
Andijvie stamppot met gehakt. Here, Barbara, you can see the smell.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's good. Can
You recognize
the smell?
the
Yeah.
smell.
Now we're turning the meatballs over so that they cook nicely on all sides, making sure everybody's evenly cooked. And then this is rendered into a nice slurry. Getting there?
Almost. 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, I looked online at Stampots. They have a lot of different types. It's something you can make with everything.
Ja.
Yeah.
Crucial is de kuiltje, hè?
Ja.
Het kuiltje voor de jus. Sorry.
Oké.
Oh,
It's the finishing touch.
Dat is typical.
that's the way.
Water. Oké.
Okay. Stamppot. Huh? That's where it gets its name, huh?
Ja, dit is de naam.
Yeah.
Butter, milk, pepper,
A little pepper.
little pepper.
That's perfect, huh? Oh, like that. And we put it in. And stir that. Yeah. Oh. You want me to add some?
Ja,
as you
dus,
go?
we wassen het en we stoppen het rauw erin. I think it's enough.
It's enough, huh?
En nou de spekjes on it.
Okay. I get that.
Only,
Only the little pieces.
ja, en dan
A little.
a little.
Okay. A little for flavor. A little of the juice.
Yes. Nou, dat is voor mij.
Ja, weet je.
Good.
Oké.
You tell me if you want more.
Hier, dan. Kijk eens. Hier.
We make for you
Yeah.
het kuiltje.
Demonstration.
Oh, okay.
Demonstration of het kuiltje.
Okay.
Kuiltje jus.
Nou,
Sounds good.
je dient het op, maar op een bord leg je eerst het gestampte, dus Stamppot andijvie. Dan maak je een kuiltje erin en in het kuiltje doe je de jus van de gehaktbal.
Moet dat zijn?
Meatball?
Meatball. Yeah. Oh, and the well is
In
filled.
het kuiltje.
Ah.
Bring it over
That's
here.
typical Dutch.
Yeah. How beautiful is that? How gorgeous. Mmm.
Very curious.
Wire.
Als je het eet met een gehaktbal en anders moet je apart jus erbij maken.
Alright.
You can put on de gehaktbal,
Yeah.
hoe heet die saus?
Peanut.
Peanuts.
Okay, so this
Oh, okay.
Peanut
saute
butter.
sauce.
Ja,
Yeah.
Satésaus.
is dat also oké?
It's okay. Nobody will look at you funny. if
Nee,
you do that.
no,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah,
no.
that's good. Yeah, very nice.
Oké.
Yeah,
Die zuiver is.
like so.
Ja.
And the meat.
Niet all you can take with your hands.
Thank you. And the sauce goes into the center.
Yes.